Are you going up against multiple offers and losing? It's not surprising. There are fewer homes on the market and demographics show more buyers than ever. Compound this by the fact that more and more people are paying cash. So your success as a sales agent in the coming years will largely be dependent upon how well you can position your client's offer to win in this environment. So here are some things that you can do to improve your chances of winning an offer. First, go above asking price. While it's not been customary in Florida, it happens all the time in other states, especially if you're competing against a cash offer. Sometimes cash buyers go in with a lower purchase price offer because they expect a discount if they're paying cash. Also consider adding an escalation clause to your contract, sometimes called an escalator. It lets the home buyer say, I will pay X price for this home, but if the seller receives another offer that's higher than mine, I'm willing to increase my price to Y. Remember, it's always about the money the seller will receive. Normally, the biggest concern that I hear from real estate agents about higher offers is, what about the appraisal coming in short? So here are some thoughts to minimize these concerns. First, deal with a local lender that has an experienced local appraisal panel that's familiar with your marketplace. You don't need a low-cost appraiser that's unfamiliar with the local marketplace coming in and blowing up your buyer's deal with a bad appraisal. Next, if the appraisal does not support the price, think outside the box on how to get the seller the money. For example, have the buyer pay some things that are normally seller's expenses. Documentary stamps on the deed, waive tax prorations, owner's title insurance policy, things that are typically seller's expenses. Sometimes we can finance these expenses into a mortgage and it has a negligible effect on the payment. When you have your buyer on the same page and they agree to these concessions, don't bury the concessions on paragraph 20 of the contract. Put them on the front page. Buyer agrees to pay X dollars of seller's closing costs. Next, the sellers want more money but also want certainty. Offer a faster loan commitment and faster closing. If it's customary to offer and close in 30 days, offer 20 days. Yes, this is possible with financing. You have to have the right lender. For example, I have a program where I'll pay the seller $2,500 if I cannot close the loan in 15 days. Contact me for further details. Next, make your offer convenient to the seller for them to accept it. Sellers want loan commitments and funds from closing as soon as possible, but often can't get out of the property. Give them a quick closing, but delay your client's occupancy. Occupancy can be delayed for up to 60 days with financing. The common thread to all these strategies is to differentiate your offer up front. Give the seller what they want and make it easy. Hopefully these tips have helped. Please contact me if you need help in getting your offer accepted. I'm Brad Greenleaf.